Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download the Cowrywise Kids and Nest app. So to do this, you have to go to kids.cowrywise.com and then you will see two options: continue as a parent or continue as a kid. So choose continue as a parent if you like. Enter your Cowrywise email and a verification code will be sent to you. Then hand the phone over to your child and then tap continue as a child. Then they get to create their own username, pick a cool avatar, and while you're there, you'll see the option, the notification for downloading the app will pop up. Click on it, and once that happens, the app will automatically be downloaded to your phone. Then you can go back to your phone, leave the browser, go to your phone, you'll see the app, then you tap on it, and you can see everything about the Cowrywise Kids app. It's as simple as that. The main things you can get there, the key features are PS1 card game. Yes, because Cowrywise are partnered with Yellow Cowries, so kids can play the PS1 card game inside the app. It teaches them about trading and value. So because they want to trade the card, they'll have to answer a financial quiz correctly. So they also have what they call the handover, which is when their Nest account, that is the money you put there for them, legally tied to the child but remaining accessible to them until they turn 18, ensuring the bridge to their future is secure. And then you as a parent on your own app, that is the normal Cowrywise app, you can get to see their progress from your app. When they finish a lesson on inflation or savings, you get a notification. So what are you waiting for? Go and download the app today. Hope you found this video helpful.